Why your videos aren't bringing you clients. Hello, my name is Brian. I'm a video strategist and filmmaker at Garces Studios. And today I want to share something important, my friend. The hardest part isn't creating content. The hardest part is realizing that the right people for your business may already be watching your videos and still not understand the value you bring. And my friend, I don't know about you, but that's a very difficult thing to accept, especially when you spend so much time trying to get more people to notice your business. Because if people don't understand why you matter, they will not choose you. They need somebody to fix their problem. Think about that for a moment. I'm willing to bet you're posting content, staying active, and investing time into your marketing. Maybe you're even creating videos consistently, but let me ask you, are the calls coming in? Are you getting more leads? Do people really understand what makes you different? If that sounds familiar, no need to worry. You're not alone. We're here together. We had to learn this lesson too. We, Garces Bros. Many business owners believe that the answer is more content, more posting, going viral, more attention. Look, attention by itself does not create trust. And trust is what helps people take the next step. That's why it's worth asking yourself, like staying still and ask, do your videos help people understand who you help, what problem you solve, why they should trust you, and what the next step is to work with you? Because when those things are not clear, people have to figure that on their own. And most people won't. They're lazy. A few years ago, we were creating high quality videos. We still are, but with a different purpose. We were creating cinematic visuals, super professional editing, and all of that's important, but there was a problem. Our ideal clients saw the final, or were only seeing the final product. They saw the videos, they saw the work, but they didn't understand the value behind what we were doing, and that was a big problem. So even though the videos are professional, looking professional, the message wasn't doing enough of the work. That's when we realized something very important. A great video cannot fix an unclear message. Your content can look amazing. People may enjoy it. They might remember it. But if they don't understand how you can help them, they won't take the next step, and it's what? Choose you for their services. Sometimes they choose another business, and it may be someone who knows less than you. And that hurts. Not because they were better, because they made it simpler for them to understand. They explained their value more clearly. They made it easier for people to understand the problem. And in the end, they got chosen. That's why we believe on something simple. First, create the clarity. Then we create the video. So the real question is not, how do I create more content? No. The better question is, what videos should my business create first? Because not every video has the same job, They have different jobs. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about the videos every business should create first, and why does that matter? If this video helped you, there's value, share it with another business owner that is struggling. Leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments below, and we will reach out to you. My name is Brian. I'm a video strategist and filmmaker at Garces Studios. Thank you so much for your time, and have a beautiful, great day.